Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are exploring one of the most exciting automation tool in the industry. Name is Playwright. And how AI today is completely transforming the way we design and execute automation tool. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Playwright? So Playwright is a modern open source automation framework built by Microsoft. Okay, it helps you to test web application across all major browser like Chromium, Firefox and WebKit using a single unified API. So that is the beauty of the Playwright tool. So let's see some more features of the Playwright, means how to use and where to use. Okay, fine. So we just explore about that the key features. It comes with incredible features like auto weighting. You know, in the Selenium, we would have like that the explicit weight, implicit weight, fluent weight. That is all are need to defining over there to executions. Okay, but here the auto weighting is the inbuilt feature in the Playwright. Okay, we can do parallel executions without any more configurations. Built-in tracing, screenshot, video recording, API testing, and multi-language support. That is the beauty of the Playwright tool. Also, it is fast executions compared to the Selenium and other traditional automation tool. Okay, so we need to go more deeper in this particular framework and structures. Okay, so let's get little bit. I would like to focus on that architecture perspective. So at the core of Playwright, it is simple but powerful structure. Okay, so first of all, one browser can create multiple context, and each context can open multiple pages, just like having multiple incognito windows. Okay, and before go more inside about the Playwright, we just look into that the basic difference between the old Selenium and Playwright. But Selenium still is a good scope. So I'm not talking about Selenium is not good as Playwright, but Selenium is their own features and um, advantages, and they also very good. Last 15 to 16 years, Selenium is still working. But the Playwright is the AI based tool, so that's why I'm just compare. If you go with the Playwright, then you will get the features, and if you go with the Selenium, then what you did not. So um, first of all, the Playwright provides reliable locator, automatic waits, faster executions, and built-in test runner features. It reduces flakiness and makes test more maintainable. That's why modern automation teams are switching from Selenium to Playwright. That's it. Okay, and that's the reasons in the real game changer through the AI. Artificial intelligence can analyze DOM structure. Okay, predict locator failure, auto-generate test cases, perform visual validation, and even write test script from natural language instructions. This is the beauty of that Playwright. And it is very good for the API validations perspective without using any external library in the Selenium. You know that in Selenium we were using about that API like that. What's the name of this API? I just um, yeah, RESTful services API. Okay, so here we don't need to any external library need to be added over here. No, it is not required over here. So it is inbuilt features in the Playwright to execute your API validations, like the call APIs, validate, respond, connect a UI and API test easily. And regarding for the Playwright test runner, so parallel executions we can do it easily in the simple configuration. Report, video, screenshot, everything we can do it through the simple configuration in the Playwright. Okay, so we will see in the next session in the practical how to do configuration in the Playwright so that we can go and execute our first script. And we can also take a look of the comparison between Selenium and the Playwright. So till time, thank you very much. This is for only introductions. So next classes we will see in the practically way how to implementation of the web application through the Playwright tool. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.